Hi, this very short video is a follow-up to the previous one concerning how to build C or C++ projects for the Pico in a quick manner without having to install loads of development tools. In that video, I used a Linux machine or a Linux virtual machine to do everything. However, not everyone runs Linux. So in this video, I'll demonstrate how everything can be done from Windows by installing Docker Desktop, which is a bundle which includes the particular functionality that's needed. The steps described here should also work for Mac. First off, go to the Docker website and download and install Docker Desktop. Once that's done, you can go to the bottom search bar in Windows and type PowerShell and select it. It provides a Windows command prompt. Now you can straight away go to that Docker run command that was discussed in the previous video. Type it as is with no changes required, and after a few minutes you'll have a Docker container called PC1 running. Follow all the steps exactly the same way as in the previous video. So you can type the docker exec command to launch a shell into the container. Here I'm going to the /home/dev folder and creating a new folder called Pico that will house all of the projects. Now I can type the git clone command for the desired project. I'm cloning 2 project repositories. Then change directory into the folder for the project and create a folder called build. This export command, if it's not mentioned on the project page, then it's not needed. I need it because my project uses that other repository that was also downloaded. Now go into the build folder, type cmake space ... and this may take a minute or two to complete. And finally, the build command will kick off the compilation process. There, it's done, and I can type ls to see the .uf2 file. Now I can open up a second PowerShell by clicking on the add symbol at the top. This is the same docker cp command as before, and it will copy the file from the container into my normal C drive folder. I can transfer that uf2 file onto the Pico as discussed before, i.e. by putting the Pico into the boot mode. Please check the earlier video to see that. All of this should work with Apple computers as well. Thanks for watching.